Welcome to my channel. Hi. Today is March 7th and it's 12:55. It's about to be 1. I need to do this video right now. Okay, so I don't have nails. No tengo uñas. Okay, so let's start off by putting chapstick on. The soft lips. Okay, just put your lipstick on. This just tiene como para tus elbows, and I'm just like, oh, and I need to stand right here. Me quiero sentar aquí. But so today I'm gonna do my makeup, and guess what? I'm gonna be unboxing. So I have everything here that I use like on a daily basis. So this is the foundation that I use. This is the powder that I use. The Laura Mercier. I use a Hoola bronzer. For highlight, I really don't use highlight, but I use the Anastasia concealer. I use between the L'Oreal one or the Tarte one. It just depends, whatever. For eyeliner, I use the ColourPop one. Super cute. Mascara, it's also between the Sky High Maybelline one or the Tarte Surfer Girl. I don't know. That one. And then for my brows, I use the Anastasia. And then that's what I'll be unboxing. Super cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys are ready? Let's make sure my address is not anywhere there. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing. I'm so excited for this. I'm not one to buy stuff like with like influencer stuff, but this one I just had to. And if you know, you know what's in here already. I'm so excited. I'm excited because it has everything that I'm into right now. Like, I'm into the having your makeup in a bag. I'm into just like easy stuff for makeup, because I don't use all the stuff that I used to use when I was, you know, like I used to hella use all this stuff, big ass palettes and stuff like that. And well, that's not me anymore. So let's open this. Oh my god, how am I gonna open this? Okay. This pencil that I just found here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hopefully it's everything that you know I wanted. Oh my god, you guys don't even know. So let me open it with you guys. It could look like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, dude, I've been watching La Comadre since she began. Imagine, dude, having your face in something like this. Oh my god, goals. It says, cuando crees en ti, todo es posible. So it looks like this. We're gonna open it, and we're gonna see everything that she has. This is her little lip kit. In the back it says hecha para brillar, period. This is so cute. Let's open it. I don't want to ruin anything. So it comes like this. These are the things that it comes with. I love, dude, look how bougie that looks. I swear I'm not saying this just because it's her stuff, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Dude, the packaging. Oh my god, I hope my fingers don't look too ugly. Dude, ay, qué bonito. I'm more of a nude person, but we have to try new things, so. Dude, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, qué hermoso. And look at the lip gloss. I love lip gloss, so I'm excited. Let's see. Okay, this looks really cute. Okay, I love this. I love the color of this, because I don't like the really ones that like have a lot of like tint, like a color. Super cute. And then we have the lip liner. Wow, it's heavy. Super cute. It says Lulu right there. Oh, we love her. Look. We love her. Pointing. We have oh my god, look at the gold. This is Picture Perfect palette. Oh, this is a little palette. Oh my god, so cute. Look. Super cute. I love the packaging. Look at how pretty. Super cute. And it says Picture Perfect eye palette. Super cute. I love this because it's tiny, dude. It fits everywhere. But look at the colors. Oh my god, look at the colors. Super. This one. Dude, a lot of people were so excited for this. Oh, look. Dude, I'm in love with the packaging, dude. Oh, look. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Mira qué bonito, dude. I don't know. Mine has... Oh my god. Imagine it's broken, bro. Because it has like highlight. Oh my god. Well, it looks like this before I open it. And it says Brilla como oro face palette. Super pretty. Let's open it con cuidado because... Oh my god, mine came broken. I'm so sad. Dude, mine came broken. But... No, vamos a hacerla de pedo porque... Pues, whatever. But mine came broken. You can tell because it had like glitter outside. No. So I don't want to show you because I don't want to... Well, like, it literally came broken. It's okay, I'm not gonna return it. I'm just like a little sad, but it's not too broken, but it's broken. But okay, it's okay. But yeah, so I'm excited. A lot of people were excited for the blush. I don't use blush myself, so that's gonna be interesting. And then bronzer, I'm used to using my Hoola. Like, I haven't used any other Hoola bronzer, so that's exciting. We love the mirror. Super cute. Okay, let's close her. I just knew she came broken. It couldn't be perfect, but that's how it looked. It's so beautiful. Let's take care of her because ya no queremos que se quebre más. I could just tell, dude, because it had glitter outside, and it's a very nice glitter. So I mean, highlight. Then we have the mirror. Okay, so I always use this one. This is the one I use like since forever. It has like makeup, probably the highlight. This is super cute. Super cute. It says Brilla como oro. Okay, let's turn it on because you can't really see how bright it is. Oh, it's cute. Dude, it's really cute. It's really cute. I love it. To do my makeup, I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's cute. At least she's not broken. I'm not throwing shade, so just so yeah. It's been forever since I get brushes. We have a eyebrow brush. Super cute. I love her. I love her. I love her. And then she said this was a highlight brush. Super cute. Super cute. I love the white. This is for blush. Yeah, I think this is for blush. We have an eyeshadow brush. Super cute. Para estrenarla con la paleta. And then she said this was a concealer, but I'm sure you can use it for like shimmer or whatever you choose. And then we have the bronzer. Let's see the bronzer brush. Oh my god, super soft, dude. I love them. And then what I'm most excited about, this is cute and está amplia. Super cute. Super, super cute. I think this is the bag that I'm gonna carry.